Hi, hey Russ here. Welcome back to the shop. Today I wanted to do an OTB moment thing about this. I did one a while back. It's my OTB razor knife. I did a video on how to make these and how I was talking about how they were kind of handy. But I wanted to show you real quick. I just happened to be using it this morning, so I thought I'd take a minute and show you what I was doing. And one of the handy things about having these little razor blocks around in your shop. I'm working on this cabinet here. It's going to go in the office. I picked this up on the side of the road. I've been in scrounging mode for some reason for the last couple, 3 months. I see something and I have a hard time not driving on by. So anyway, I picked this up because it was in good shape. When he took it apart, this pedestal was still basically intact. Just the top was torn off of it. And so I was able to fix it. I put some casters on it, and I used a 2x4 board, a couple of them, to make this top. And it's about 1.25 inches thick. So it matches the other stuff in the office. I made the desk for it out of the same way, out of this kind of material. So it'll blend in pretty nicely when I'm done. My thing is that when I did this, I really got a little messy on the glue up. And I usually clean that up pretty good, but I didn't do a very good job. So I threw the stain on it, and lo and behold, the nightmare occurred. All that glue squeeze out, was showing up at a lot of the places along the joint. I know, we've all done it. Anyway, I really looked awful, and I thought, what am I going to do again? So I decided to get my little knife out like I do when I get into this, and I'm just going to clean that up. You can see right here, see if I can get in closer. Right here is some of that glue. And there's a little bit right here. I've got most of the rest of it cleaned up. I had a whole bunch of it right in here. And I cleaned this all up. I just take my scraper and I scrape it. I just finished this area. I did this one before that. And this thing, like I said, it had a lot of spots. But you just take it and just scrape it like you would a scraper until you get it down there. But if you can't get across it because it's really not as clear as level as you think it is, I can actually just get the point of it or just the edge of it and get on one side, and I can pretty accurately pretty much scrape that glue away and clean this up completely. When I get done, I just wipe it down with my soaked rag with the stain on it, and everything blends back in. So I did this to the whole top. The top had a lot of places on it that were really bad, and I've pretty much got it cleaned up now so that you don't see all that squeeze out. But that's one of the things I do with my let's get you back up here. That's one of the things I do with my little razor knife. So I just thought I'd show you real quick what I did with it while I was in here doing something. I know it's hard to believe. You actually caught me doing something instead of just talking. So I appreciate you stopping by. If you have any comments or any suggestions about this, just leave them below. I read them all. If you like the video, please say so. Most importantly, they'll come back because there's plenty more. We're nowhere near done. We'll see you again very soon.